Hello friends, welcome to Sana's Kitchen. Myself Ritvika. Today I am going to make a Manglorean recipe, that is chicken sukka. Into a pan add in 10 Kashmiri chilies. Dry roast the chilies in a medium flame. Once chilies turns aromatic, transfer it to a bowl and set aside. Into the same pan add 3 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, quarter teaspoon fenugreek seeds, quarter teaspoon peppercorns, 2 cinnamon stick, 4 to 5 cloves. Dry roast all the spices in a medium flame until it's aromatic. Once it starts to change color and turns aromatic, turn off the flame. Once the dry roasted ingredients cools completely, transfer it to a blender. Blend it to a fine powder. Sukka masala powder is ready. Set it aside. Add 1 tablespoon ghee to a pan. Add in few curry leaves, 1 onion, 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 teaspoon garlic crushed. Saute until onion turns soft. Once onions are done, add in 1 cup of grated coconut. Saute until coconut turns brown. Once coconut turns brown, turn off the flame and transfer it to a bowl. Into a pan add 1 tablespoon ghee. Then add in 2 onion finely sliced, 1 teaspoon crushed ginger, 2 teaspoon finely chopped garlic, 1 green chilli cut into slit. Saute until onion turns brown in color. Once onions are done, add in 1 tomato. Saute until tomato turns soft. Now add in half kg chicken. You can also use boneless chicken for this recipe. Quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. Once you mix everything well, add in the prepared sukka masala powder. Mix until everything gets combined. Into the chicken add in half cup of water. Also add in some salt, few curry leaves. Give it a quick mix. Cover and cook until the chicken is 50% done. The chicken is half cooked. Add in 1/4 cup tamarind water. Cover and cook the chicken in a medium to low flame. Chicken is completely cooked. Now add in the fried coconut. Mix until well combined. Finally add in some chopped coriander leaves. Give it a quick mix. It's ready. Turn off the flame. If you want it to be dry, then you can cook it until the water dries completely. That's it. Chicken sukka is ready. Do give this recipe a try. If you like the recipe, then subscribe to our channel Sana's Kitchen. Thank you.